check out these cute Paisley pinkish. I don't know if you can see on front. See how it has the textured white? Let me tell you how I did that. This is my file that I have for sale in my Etsy shop. And I love this file because you can literally cut, stain, and go. It's ready. But I thought if I wanted to paint it, I wanted to see if I just did a coat of paint over it, how it would look. So I did a peach to begin with, like a pinkish peach. And it was pretty, but I don't know, something about it, I couldn't find clothes to match it. And so I thought I'm going to switch it up some. So I sanded it. I tried to sand off the paint as much as I could because I had a couple layers on. I had spray painted the board prior to cutting, and so I had the paint on pretty thick. So anyway, I had to sand it off. I used one of these, and I just kept sanding and sanding. And then it got to a point where I had a little bit of the paint left, but I also had the natural paint, the wood. You could see the wood. And I thought, I want to add a little bit of texture to that. And so I got my distressed ink pad, and I very lightly just kind of, I took my pad and I just kind of, as you can see, just kind of went over the top real lightly. You don't have to use this. You can also use a brush on top, and then you brush over the top. It goes on lighter, so you can start, I don't know, with a lighter layer, and then you can make it darker. So it's easy to control as far as the color. And that's what I did. And I really liked it. However, it was still kind of missing another element. I just didn't feel like it was finished. And so I grabbed, let me show it to you, my large ink pad at the Picket Fence Distressed Ink, and I took these and I literally just laid it on top of my ink pad and pressed it down and moved it around and pressed it, and it turned out so cool. I did not sand the edges because I thought it kind of already looks like a piece of wood that's been weathered, and so I wanted to keep it that way. And there you go. Pretty awesome. I'll take them off so you can see. These are cut and go earrings, and you do not have to paint them. I actually made the file with the intention to just be able to cut and stain. Cut, stain, and sell. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.